Ever wondered how to crack the stock market code? It's a riddle wrapped in a mystery, but fear not. We're going to unravel this enigma together, shedding light on those elusive insider tips that can pave your path to success. Ready to dive into the world of trading? Keep listening to unlock the secrets. First things first, understanding the basics is crucial. Knowing your ABCs of trading, such as the law of supply and demand, the essence of company fundamentals, and the rhythm of market trends, is indispensable. These are the building blocks of your trading journey. Remember, a solid foundation is key to long-term success in trading. Now let's delve into some insider tips and tricks. One golden nugget is diversifying your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Another key tip is to avoid emotional decisions. Investing should be based on facts, not feelings. Stay informed about current events, as they often impact the market. Lastly, remember the importance of patience and consistency. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and persistent effort. With these tips, you're already a step ahead in your trading journey. So what have we learned today? We've delved into the fundamentals of the stock market, highlighting the significance of acquiring a solid foundation. We've also gained insights from insider tips and tricks, a vital tool for every aspiring trader. The key takeaway here is the value of patience and consistency. Trading is not a sprint, but a marathon. Remember, cracking the stock market code isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making informed decisions and staying committed to your journey. Happy trading. Let's move on to the next phase of our journey, live trading. Live trading, as the name suggests, involves buying and selling stocks in real time on the stock market. It's the ultimate test of everything we've discussed so far. Live trading offers the potential for significant profits, but it also comes with risks. It's crucial to keep in mind that while the stock market can be unpredictable, educated decisions based on thorough research can mitigate these risks. Here are a few tips for successful live trading. Stay calm, be patient, and most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, live trading can be both exciting and profitable with the right knowledge and preparation. Stay tuned for more videos. If you found this content informative, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.